World War II by Carter Downs. World War II started because the Axis wanted more land. The war started when Germany invaded Poland in September 1st, 1939. World War II started September 1st, 1939 and ended September 2nd, 1945. The war was fought in Africa and the Pacific, the Mediterranean, US, Europe, Japan, Poland, Germany, France, and Italy. The Allies were America, Great Britain, China, and Australia. The Axis were Germany, Italy, and Japan. World War II ended on September 2nd, 1945, when Adolf Hitler died and the US dropped the atomic bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The Berlin airlift took place when the Soviet Union blocked all supplies coming from the areas surrounding East Berlin except for the air. The Allies created an operation to bring the East Berliners to bring food to the East Berliners. They called it Operation Vittles. Gail Haverson was an LDS bomber pilot from Garland, Utah. Even though Gail didn't fly any missions to bomb Berlin, he did not take part in the Berlin airlift. Once he hitched a ride with a fellow pilot going to do the usual routine. After he got back to base, he was going to explore. He hitched a ride on a jeep to a place where he had seen some Berlin children. After talking to them for a while, he told them to go back. He had to go back to his base, but before he left, he gave them four pieces of gum. He told the kids he would wiggle his wings and drop them candy. He became the candy bomber named Uncle Wiggly Wings. And thanks for watching.